Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Android version and grant location permission because modern scanners need it to access Wi-Fi scan results. Next, open Settings and enable Wi-Fi. Make sure Bluetooth is on if the app uses it for additional details. Once done, open the Play Store and install a reputable Wi-Fi scanner app. Pick one with recent updates and reviews. Now tap Open to begin the app's initial scan. The app will request runtime permissions. Allow them so scanning can proceed. You're now in the Scanner app. Allow any runtime location prompts so the app can access scan APIs. Tap Scan or Refresh to populate nearby SSIDs, BSID, channels, and signal strength. Make sure to switch between 2, 4 and 5 GHz bands if the app offers band filters, because overlapping channels differ by band. Use sorting or filtering to prioritize RSSI or channel occupancy. If you need more info, long press a network to view frequency, encryption. Once you have scanned results, analyze which channels show heavy congestion and choose a clearer channel for your router. Look for high RSSI values and multiple APs on the same channel. Export logs or screenshot results to reference when changing router settings. This makes configuration faster. If scanning fails, make sure location is enabled and the app has permission, then force stop and reopen the app or reboot the phone. If problems persist, try a different scanner app to rule out app-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.